The photography world is buzzing with anticipation. Enthusiasts, professionals, and gear reviewers alike are leaning forward, eager to see what Nikon will unveil next. All eyes have turned toward the rumored Nikon Z7 III, the anticipated successor to the Z7 II, an intermediate sibling to the Z8 and Z9. With multiple leaks circulating, speculation is reaching a fever pitch. Could this be the most refined full-frame mirrorless Nikon has ever produced? While Nikon Z8 and Z9 models have already earned wide acclaim for their speed, hybrid features, and performance in demanding contexts, the Z7 III promises something more subtle but deeply meaningful. Exceptional resolution, color fidelity, and detail, rather than chasing raw frame rates or sheer processing power. This model seems likely to double down on the nuance of imagery. For creators who prioritize texture, tone, and precision, what follows is a comprehensive breakdown of all currently circulating rumors, plus analysis of what they could mean. I also contrast this possible new model against its siblings and competitor cameras to put things in perspective. Based on leaks and insider whispers, Nikon will largely retain the proven physical design language of the Z7/Z8 lineage. Magnesium alloy chassis, weather sealing, robust build quality. These are expected to remain. Rather than reinventing the wheel, the Z7 III is likely to receive subtle but purposeful refinements. Button layout tweaks inspired by the Z8's ergonomic refinements may make usage more intuitive, particularly under pressure. One rumored change is improved grip comfort and repositioned controls for better reach, especially for those using larger lenses or battery grips. The idea is to maintain continuity in feel for Nikon users while incrementally improving handling for long shoots. A major rumored upgrade is in the electronic viewfinder, EVF. Where earlier models offered high-resolution, high-refresh displays, the Z7 III is said to push the EVF resolution over 5.8 million dots or more, enhancing sharpness, minimizing the screen door effect, and improving color fidelity. A smoother refresh rate, perhaps 120 Hz or beyond, may also be in play to reduce lag and jitter. On the rear, Nikon might make a more dramatic change, replacing the traditional tilt-only display with a fully articulating, flip-out LCD. That would be a welcome move, especially for vloggers, content creators who shoot in selfie or 180 degrees modes, or videographers needing flexible angles in tight setups. It's a shift that acknowledges the hybrid demands of modern creators. At the heart of the rumors is the potential for a new high-resolution full-frame sensor. The leaked figures range between 61 and 67 megapixels, which, if true, would place the Z7 III squarely in competition with ultra-high-res models like the Sony A7 RV and the rumored Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Some rumors go even further, hinting, though with less likelihood, at a prototype reaching 90 megapixels, though most analysts suspect that's pushing current technology beyond practical limits. If Nikon can optimize that sensor for both stills and video, it could reset expectations around image clarity, dynamic range, and tonal depth. The trick will be to manage noise at higher ISOs and retain readout speed without compromising rolling shutter. Advanced backside illumination designs and improved